Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make Eggs Benedict with Hollandaise Sauce. To prepare the Hollandaise Sauce, separate 4 egg yolks into a mixing bowl. Then, add a splash of Tabasco, a little bit of lemon juice, a pinch of cayenne pepper and salt. Whip the eggs to ribbons, the consistency of custard. Then slowly add in melted butter until the egg yolk thickens to coat the back of a spoon. Set aside and keep warm. Next, let's boil some water in a medium pot and add vinegar. Crack the remaining 2 eggs into the boiling water. Poach the eggs for about 4 minutes, and when done, remove and pat dry on a towel. Fry the bacon in oil and toast the muffins. Place toasted muffins on a plate with bacon on top. Carefully place the eggs on the bacon. Spoon the warm hollandaise over. Eat and yum. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.